It's Throwback Thursday. When you keep memorabilia, you don't just collect items, but you also store valuable memories. Today, we talk to a man who keeps vintage Philippine transportation souvenirs and mementos, and each has a particular personal meaning. To tell us more about his collection, Cesar Cawagdan joins us live in the studio. Good afternoon, sir, and welcome to Traffic Center.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sir, so this is quite an interesting collection you have over here. What's the story behind these items? Paano mo sila nakuha?
Example for this jeepney, ma'am. Nakuha ko siya from the sa isang jeep terminal.
Okay.
Then, sabi nung may-ari, regalo raw siya, based dun sa may-ari, regalo raw siya ni Mr. Leonardo Sarao, yung may-ari ng Sarao na jeep.
I see, right.
Yeah, regalo daw sa kanya. Tapos yun, dinisplay niya dun sa nila.
For
sa
our
terminal.
viewers, can you explain who Sarao is?
Leonardo Sarao, siya yung may-ari nung jeepney na Sarao. Then yung Sarao, yun yung surname niya.
Okay, so gaano kaluma na to?
I think this is from the 80s. I think.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
So from all these items, may favorites ka ba?
This jeepney, because I think dalawa lang kaming meron yan dito sa Philippines. Dalawa lang ang nakita ko.
Oh, so dalawa yung
And
nabenta.
it's hard to
natin.
find, I think.
Okay.
And hindi siya binibenta.
Oh, I see.
It's
Paano
a gift
nakuha?
or a souvenir
Oh, I
from
see.
Sarao families sa mga friends nila. Parang yun.
So ito galing sa 80s.
80s.
Ano yung pinakaluma dito?
Meron akong mga ticket ng bus.
Wow, okay.
This is the oldest, from the 1930s.
Okay, 1930s.
1930s.
Ito yung bus tickets ng 1930s.
Yes, nung 1930s.
Wow, okay. Sobrang luma na pala.
Yes, it's pre-war, ma'am. Pre-war pa siya.
Pre-war,
Yeah.
okay. Ito
Tapos-
lahat bus tickets din.
Bus tickets din ng iba-ibang bus company from 60s, 70s, 80s.
Wow, how interesting.
Yes.
Gaano na kayo katagal nagko-collect ng Pinoy transportation memorabilia, and why Pinoy transportation?
Actually, I'm a collector of Philippine vintage memorabilia.
Okay. Why Philippine memorabilia? Why did you decide to start this?
Because ito yung sumasalamin sa atin, sa kahapon natin, na I think nakakalimutan na rin ng mga
Yeah.
kabataan.
Of course.
So, I collecting some vintage toys from local vintage toys, from old products like shampoo bottles
Oh, wow.
with content.
Oh, how
Then,
interesting.
yeah.
Gaano katagal na kayo nagko-collect? Sorry?
I think since 2013, 2012, 2013.
2013.
Yeah.
So, malapit na mag 10 years.
Yes.
10 years na.
Pero yung una kong mga memories na tinago is from, bigay sa akin ng mother ko, yung yung dress ko nung nag 1-year-old ako, nasa akin pa, pati yung mga medyas.
So,
yung
matagal
mga,
ka na interested.
Yeah. Tapos, start collecting na nung interested na ako from 2013, from vintage bikes, mga ganyan.
Where do you usually find these items?
In old stores, junk shops.
Okay. So, nakalagay sa magazine mo, if you take a look there, it says, Jeepney King of the Road.
Yeah.
Masasabi pa rin ba natin na hari ng kalsada ang jeepneys, especially with the Jeepney Phase-Out program beginning?
Yeah, matatawag ko pa rin siyang hari ng kalsada. From the Kalesa, the original hari ng kalsada,
Yes.
to jeepney. I think kung i-modernize siya from electric, sana i-keep pa rin yung yung pinaka-itsura niya.
Yung aesthetic ng
Yeah,
jeepney.
because when you say jeepney, may isip mo agad Philippines.
Yes.
Like yung sa Thailand, yung mga tricycles nila, pag nakita mo, Thailand agad. So parang nagre-represent siya ng Philippines.
Oh, indicative of our culture
Yeah.
siya. So, masasabi mo pa rin ng hari ng kalsada siya.
Still king of the road.
May bala ka bang i-share yung sa mga kabataan through an exhibit or museum yung mga items na to? Are you selling them?
Some of my doubles, I sell them to some collectors or yung mga nakikilala kong, inabutan ko yung yan, baka pwedeng magkaroon ako niyan. So, I gave them, minsan hindi ko na binibenta, binibigyan ko na lang sila.
So may community ng mga
yes,
collectors
yes,
ng Pinoy memorabilia.
Marami siyang community from Pinoy toys, from Pinoy, kung iba-iba.
Okay, I wish we could talk about this more and talk about the history of each of them, but we're running out of time. So before we go, what message can you give to our collectors? Tips to better keep them safe? Kasi luma na nga siya.
Inaano ko lang yung mga luma yung gamit na nasa inyo pa rin, especially nung mga kabataan nyo, yung mga nalaro nyo. I-keep nyo lang siya, huwag nyo siyang ibenta kasi siya yung nag-aano ng masayang kabataan natin. Yun yung ano.
So is there a way to maintain them?
Ano
Dapat
naman?
ba nakastore? Saan dapat nakastore siya or...
Basta lang siya, i-keep nyo lang siya sa place na hindi siya mababasa.
Okay.
Tapos, lalo na yung mga papers, hindi laging yung ipa-plastics kasi yung mga pest, yan ang
Or
mga,
kagaya dito, i-frame.
yan, number 1 kalaban, i-frame.
Okay, thank you, Pinoy Transportation Memorabilia Collector Cesar Kawagdan.